Hey, creators. If you've been posting consistently on your channel, you're checking all the boxes, you're editing like a pro, and you're still feeling like your channel is stuck in a rut, I see you. I was you, in fact. And before you go blaming the algorithm like it's your ex ghosting you for no reason, we need to talk. Because the problem might not be YouTube. It might just be your SEO. Yep, that bit behind the scenes techie stuff that most people skip over. Yes, and it could be killing your reach without you even knowing it. Yes, and I need you to stick around until the end because I am going to tell you about a sneaky little SEO mistake that can get your channel banned permanently. Yep, like poof. One morning you get up and your channel is gone. You do not want to mess with this one. Now let's dive in. All right, first things first. Can we stop treating the YouTube algorithm like it's out to ruin our lives? Because here's the truth. YouTube wins when you win. If your videos keep people on the YouTube platform, YouTube makes money from ads, right? Period. It's a business and you shouldn't take it personal. Well, here's what most people don't know. YouTube doesn't actually push your videos out to the world. No, it pulls videos based on what viewers are most likely to watch next. That means it has to understand who your video is for. And yes, it's scanning your title, your thumbnail, your description, your transcript, the captions. It's scanning everything. So everything has to be right. Because if your SEO is off, it's like giving YouTube a treasure map with no X marks the spot. And here's the kicker. This works on old videos as well. So whatever you learn here, go check out your old videos and fix them. So if you've got content collecting dust, like your old videos, stick with me because you can revive them. That's what I'm saying. If this is your first time here, I'm Cheryl, the owner of True Travel Treasures. That's another channel. I'm laughing with Cheryl over here. My travel channel has passed 48,000 subscribers. I'm so proud of that. And this one is getting close to 4,000. And trust me, I've been deep in the SEO trenches for over a year. I've binge watched tutorials. I've cried at 2 a.m. in the morning trying to figure out why a great video that has value only got 17 views. So if you've ever felt like that, you're not alone. Drop a comment and tell me where you're tuning in from. I would love to know. I love to see how far this message reaches. And if you're serious about growing your channel, don't stop with this video. Check the links in the description. I've got so many favorite tools that I share in my description, as well as my YouTube Starter Creator Bundle. And yes, an ebook that breaks down everything even more. Now, let's step back for a second. What is SEO? SEO means search engine optimization. It's not just for Google either. It's how YouTube finds your videos and decides who should see them. Think of it like the GPS for your content. Without it, you're lost. You're going to get lost. Now listen, content is still king. Let's establish that. You can't slap SEO on a bad video. No, you can't. And still expect miracles. But SEO is like a delivery driver. It makes sure that your amazing content lands on the right doorstep. And if you're a small creator, you can't afford to skip this one. YouTube doesn't know who you are just yet. It doesn't know your vibe, your niche, or your audience. So let's help out the algorithm. Let's help it out. Get your notebook and pen because we are going straight into the lion's den. Number 1 is channel keywords. Go to your YouTube studio Go to settings, then channel, then basic information. Fill that 500 character limit with high traffic keywords related to your niche. Don't spam, just be smart about it. Think YouTube tips, small creator growth, YouTube automation, one person business, grow without gear, and so on and so forth. Number 2, your video title. Use your main keyword in your title, but keep the curiosity alive. Instead of saying how algorithm works, you could say how I beat the algorithm and got 5,000 views in 2 days. You want to get clicks, right? And clarity. Number 3, thumbnail text. Don't just copy the title and put it on your thumbnail. Complement it, and please avoid clickbait. If people click off, YouTube slaps your video into timeout. If you're adding text, try to sneak a keyword in as well. And don't add too many text. Number 4, the file name of your video. Rename your video file before you upload it. Yep, even this matters with SEO. If your video is about YouTube SEO tips, for example, you should save the file as youtube-seo-tips.mp4 instead of my final SEO video edit.mov. Okay, next is description. This one is obvious, but still overlooked. Fill it with keywords naturally. And here's a pro tip. Upload your transcript when you're done to ChatGPT and ask it to write a SEO-rich description. Boom, it's done. And speaking of helping you out, grab my free YouTube video planning guide in the description. It'll make your content flow like butter. And here's what people forget. SEO isn't just about what you write. It's also about what you say. Within the first 5 minutes, say your main keywords out loud. YouTube listens, and it helps confirm who the video is for. And that is a win-win situation right there. Number 6 is tags. There's debate about whether tags still matter, but listen, if YouTube still has a feel for it, use it. Even a 1% gain is still a gain. Use up to 450 characters. You can use tools like vidIQ, which will make it super easy for you. And and I have the link in the description. And here's a bonus tip. Captions. Don't sleep on this. Let YouTube auto caption, then save it in your language and translate it into others. You'll be surprised of the reach. It expands your reach and gives YouTube more data to work with. Okay, so remember I told you I would share something that some creators are doing that YouTube hates? Well, here it is. Never, I repeat, never dump all your tags at the bottom of your video description. That's considered spam. YouTube will ban you, remove your channel for good. Instead, sprinkle keywords naturally through your description, as I said, and use only 2 to 3 hashtags at the bottom of your description. Don't get cute. It's not worth losing your channel. Absolutely not. Number 7, timestamps. These are another overlooked gem. They help your viewers and your SEO as well. So what I would suggest is use ChatGPT to generate your timestamp chapters from your transcript. It's fast and it makes your video more accessible. Timestamps equal keywords equal a happy algorithm. That's what I say. Now, look, at the end of the day, SEO isn't a magic wand. It's not. But it's the cherry on top of everything else that you're doing. Good titles, clickable thumbnails, valuable content. Without it, your videos might never reach the right audience. And that's your goal, right? And we are not doing all this work just to end up buried in a sea of other small creators. No, we're not. Here's the bottom line. You can't control the views, but you can control your effort, your focus, your SEO game. And if you want YouTube to help you out, you got to show up with your content packaged in the right way. Woo, that was a lot to unpack, right? But if you made it to the end, you already know I've got goodies for you. Yes, I told you about my free video planning guide, but also grab my viral video cheat sheet and check out the tools and ebooks in the description to start leveling up your YouTube game today. And hey, don't forget to watch this video, probably at the top of the screen. The title is I Was Failing on YouTube Until I Found These Two Incredible Tools. It's a must watch if you're stuck. Okay, now, please keep growing and keep growing as well. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care now and go check out the links in the description. Take care.